What's up, guys? Just wanted to take you through my final blog tour. It's called Chasing Greatness. So, this blog is designed to sort of outline my journey as a professional track and field athlete. And I have some other little things here, like on the journey, like this thing on the right here, that goes into more depth about nutrition, training, sort of habits, mentality, anything that kind of has to do with fitness in that sense. I kind of made like a little bit of a dual blog. One side that talks about my progression into the sport, as well as some of the tips that I do to sort of be at my best. So here are some of the blog posts. I outline my biggest one I outline is my injury, what I went through with my injury. I talk about how to stay injury free when trying to be a athlete or just a person in fitness in general. I outline sort of everything, how I do, how to get faster, and then I go into sort of some how people can get into exercising, and those are sort of what the blog posts are more like about. I have a little section here that kind of talks about my career highlights. So these are some of the videos that I have that I'm personally in at the world stage, things like that, indoor NCAA's. This is like the best race I've ever had where I PR'd, and I was just fell a few seconds short of the world championships. I have my about page, so it kind of lists everything that I've accomplished, and this is the contact page. So yeah, like my blog basically just describes sort of my own personal journey going for the Olympic team in 2021 is kind of the main goal of the entire thing. Again, I kind of just go into long details about what I personally do from a fitness standpoint, from a nutritional standpoint, training standpoint, what do my day-to-day activities look like, and moving forward, I'll probably branch off into some other topics such as how to prepare for other sports, how to do be healthier in any sort of way. Here's a little podcast that I was on recently. So yeah, this is sort of where my blog is at right now, and yeah, looking forward to it moving forward.